How will you react when you see these two people on stage? I mean, Davido and Wizkid on stage. How will you react? Just imagine. Don't forget to drop your reaction or how you feel you react on the comment section. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and how welcome to the latest entertainment. Here will give you hot gist of all the trending issues in Nigeria, Africa, and the world. Please, if you're new and do well to hit the subscribe button and like so as to stay updated whenever we upload new content. I mean, it's gonna be it. Imagine the video and Wizkid on stage. Then yeah, Adele is doing very well, dropping hits back to back. And she's been gone for 6 years. So yeah, she went on a break for 6 years. And guess what? Adele is finally back. She has returned. 6 years. I mean, 6 years break. That's a huge one. The day is here. Adele returns after 6 years of break. How we've missed the sound of Adele. Hello from the other side. Enjoy the beautiful sound. Yeah, Adele is back and she dropped on songs. Do you really like the song she dropped? Have you listened to it? Have you listened to her latest vibe, to her latest track? Can you compare it to the one she dropped, let's say, Hello from the Other Side, before going on a 6-year break? But, I mean, Adele is welcome. I like Adele for one thing. She knows how to dress. I mean, yeah, I like her dress sense when it comes to music, because these days, people have been complaining, especially our parents. I mean, some of us can't even watch a music video done by a lady comfortably with our parents. It's terrible. We see girls, I mean, going like, covering like only 20% of their body parts. Not that we don't worship, we worship, but imagine you're a pastor or your dad or your mom sitting with you and you're watching stuff, videos done by musicians right now. How would that be? How would they look at you? But Adele is not on that page. Adele knows how to cover. I mean, she's doing very well when it comes to dressing. That's one reason I like Adele. And her sounds are like unique. They are very different. Big up to you, Adele. We are welcome back. I mean, 6 years we've missed you. Well. Let's come back home to our blog country Nigeria. Let's talk about Tiwa Savage. Recently, she did a song with Brandy, and that song has been making waves. We see people like Rihanna, Mariah Carey, so many artists have been vibing to the song. They're like, wow, they love the song. Somebody's son will love me one day. People love that song. That's how they did very well anyway. Well, talking about Tiwa Savage dropped a message about why she postponed her music tour till next year. She was supposed to have a music tour in 2021, but she has shifted it to next year. According to the award-winning singer Tiwa Savage, on Wednesday, said she postponed her music tour till next year because of her father's death. Yeah, and she lost her father and it was terrible. Well, take heart, Tiwa Savage, take heart. The singer made this known during an Instagram live session where she appreciated fans for their support. Savage enjoying fans to anticipate the music tour, asking them to come and experience her and her band live. Savage said, I was originally supposed to go on tour this year, but everything was brought back. As some of you guys know, I lost my father, so I had to understandably push my tour. So my tour will be next year. You guys make sure you come out. I'm telling you, there's no experience like when you see me and my team and my band. The things we have planned on the tour are incredible. We can't wait for Tiwa Savage's tour that will be coming up in 2022. Though we don't know the day yet, or the dates yet, the specific date, but we know that will be coming up. As I said earlier, so many celebrities are reviving to Tiwa Savage's song. One of such person is the Trinidad-born rapper and singer Nicki Minaj. She has revealed that she has been listening to somebody's song by Tiwa Savage and Brandy. Nicki Minaj made this known while replying to a post made by Brandy, the featured American artist on somebody's song. Brandy wrote, thank you Tiwa Savage for this beautiful moment. Hashtag somebody's song music video out now, link in bio and story. And according to Nicki Minaj, the song has been on repeat. In other words, she's been listening to the song, somebody's song, back to back. That song is lit. What do you think about the song? Don't forget to drop the comments on the comments. Well, let's go on to movie industry. Here we have this guy, Dwayne Johnson. He has been a good wrestler. He did very well in wrestling. After that, he now switched into acting. I mean, he's been dropping hit movies. He's doing very well as an actor. And recently, it's like he's diving into politics. Well, that's a good one. According to Dwayne Johnson says he has spoken to politicians about running for president. You know, there's been this rumor. You know, people have been his supporters. He has so many fans, millions of fans out there, including me. Yeah, I've been supporting Dwayne Johnson. I love his movies. And we You remember that some years back, Dwayne Johnson's fans were asking him to become the next president of the United States of America, that they want Johnson for president. We have this good news that it seems wrestler and actor Dwayne The Rock Johnson is seriously considering running for president and has even spoken to politicians about it. If you are in the United States of America and you have the right to vote for Dwayne Johnson, will you do that? Don't forget to drop a comment, support it in Dwayne Johnson should become the next president of the United States of America come 2024. Well, let's talk about one of the hottest comedians in Nigeria, Basket Mouth. He's doing very well. He's a comedian, he's an actor. I've been following his movies, his series. You know, My Flatmates. He's been doing very well. He's acting there as Frank, and he's been doing very well in the movie My Flatmate. And you know, he has dived into music. The whole thing with entertainment, once you are here, you make money, my brother. It's not good to stay in one place. Here, you have to spread your tentacles, and that's what Basket Mouth has been doing. We've known Basket Mouth for years as a comedian. He now moved into the entertainment industry. He's been acting. Yes, comedy is another part of entertainment, definitely, and acting is another part of entertainment. He dived from comedy to acting, and now he's into music. The same thing that happened to Dwayne Johnson. He has been a wrestler. He now spread his tentacles to acting, and now he wants to spread his tentacles to politics. Big ups, bro. Now let's talk about basketball. Let's talk about basketball. We have this good that basketball signs music deal with Empire. Wow, that's a huge one. We have this good news that basketball has signed a music deal with US-based record label Empire. The comedian disclosed this on his official Instagram handle on Wednesday. He wrote, "Hey guys, did I mention that I have been signed by Empire? Well, I am." And you should also recall that the Empire is an independent record label that takes care of music licensing and distribution and has a lineup of successful Nigerian artists like Olamide and Fireboy TML. Wow. And now Basket Mouth has joined the lineup. Big ups to you, Basket. You've been doing very well. I mean, you are jokes, cracking good jokes, doing shows, acting very well, and now I've watched some of your music videos. They are hits. Though you've been featuring artists, but man, big ups to you, Basket. That is what it means to spread your tentacles. We need to spread our tentacles. Side hustle. That's why we keep hearing stuff like side hustle. Side hustle is very necessary, my brother. No matter what you are doing, look for something else. Yeah, to spread your tentacles so that if one fails, the other one can lift you up. Well, we're still talking about the music or entertainment industry. Let's come back onto our blood country Nigeria. Let's talk about Burna Boy. Burna Boy, the giant of Africa. I mean, his album Twice as Tall, he's been doing very well. Recently, he dropped a hit track. Congratulations are definitely in order to Burna Boy Graham as he debuts number 18 on the Billboard Digital Song Sales Chart. Want It All featuring at Polo.Capalot. Our artists, our musicians are doing very well. As I said, they'll be polishing Nigeria's image towards the Whiskey, the Olamide, the list is endless. Basket Mouth just signed the deal. Big ups to you guys, big ups to you. I mean, the entertainment industry I think entertainment is the way forward. Yeah, entertainment is really the way forward. Rather than going into politics, I would rather go into entertainment. What about you? Don't forget to drop a comment on what you think on the comment section below. Well, let's talk about football. Let's talk about sports. We have this good news that Liverpool's Mohamed Salah has been named the PFA Virtu Motors Premier League Fans Player of the Month for September 2021. That's a huge one.